Hey, John Paul here, and today I just want to give you a quick overview of our latest new ColDesi UV300. Whilst at the same time we're going to do a little bit of signage printing, just because people always ask, well, how do you make signs? Well, it's very easy. We've just got a brand new setup here for YES and the product, and lots of samples and things we're building up for people to come and see how to decorate. So today we thought we'd make you a piece of custom signage, because right at the back up here we're going to put a new sign, and that sign we're going to actually print on the machine that is here. So today I've already pre-set up on our system here a graphic that we've ripped and prepared ready, and we're going to literally take this piece of poly, 10mm thick. So we're just going to print in reverse on that, and then we're going to put that onto the wall. Okay, so let's get our piece of Perspex on here. Now we're printing in reverse here, so we want to go on the face side up. Okay, so now it's set up in the center. What I've got here is a 92 piece of acrylic in centimeters left to right, by 62 front to back. So I'm just over printing, well, I'm positioning this slightly over the bed area. I'm going to hit that vacuum button, turn our vacuum on. So this is now nice and flat. Okay, it's held in place, all in the right areas for what we want to print. And now what we're going to do is we're going to clean it using an IPA wipe, just to make sure it's nice and clean. We don't want any muck on, or any dirt or grime on the material. So now I'm just going to grab my graphic. Okay, so as you can see here, I've set my graphic up already. This tells me my margins of where we're going to place the graphic. I'm going to leave it at 0, 0, because our 0, 0 point is actually just here. So we're, again, 10mm in all the way around, so it gives us the 92 overall. Now what I'm going to do is just check the Z height. So here it allows us to control our laser. As you can see, if you look at the machine, there's a laser on there, and we want to make sure that we're correct height. And we know already that the laser, this is 10mm thick, so I'm just going to set this to a 12mm height. Okay, now because it's a clear acrylic, sometimes the lasers aren't seen, so I'm just going to do a quick head check. So what I can do is I can just pull the print head over to check the height over the top. So we can then get the exact print height ready to make sure that we've got everything we need. As you can see, we can drop the height. Just reset my Z and X. Cool. So now what I'm going to do is, in the system we've got here, I've just requested the machine to do a reverse print and flip the design. And here we go. Let's give it a shot. Now at the front of the machine as well, we've got these rollers. I just took the cover off so you could see it while we were doing what we were doing. And those rollers are designed for doing rotary printing. So it gives us the ability in one machine to have a nice vacuum bed, pull that material down nicely, have a rotary bed, all in one piece of equipment. Now we're actually printing in a medium resolution, well, we're printing in high resolution, but we're on a medium speed. So the machine is actually printing at its medium speed, which is not its fastest speed. You can get faster than this, but personally, I like quality, and I like it to be fast as well, so that's why I like medium speed. High speed is okay as well, you get good quality with high speed, but I like super fine detail. So call me pernickety, but you know, I like it really nice and sweet and smooth. So we're currently sitting at 58 seconds. Now, estimated time remaining is around about 1 minute and 2 seconds. 0.41 pence. That's it. That's the cost of that. So I'm going to click my fingers in a minute, and the next time you're going to see this, it's going to be up there. Ready? There it is on the wall. I have to check this. 0.41 pence. How cool does that look, guys? So that is a reverse print mirrored okay, and it's cost us 0.4145 pence. That looks pretty awesome. So standard piece of 10mm thick Perspex, printed in reverse. You know, that's a signage that's going to be there for a long time. It's going to look pretty awesome, pretty cool, and it's worth at least from anybody's printing, you know, for 41 pence, and sorry, 0.41 pence. It's a 40-50 pound sign that really looks pretty cool, and it's a great profit. So yeah, all done on the ColDesi UV300 printer H3F, and yeah, under 3 minutes on a print. We could get that down to around about 2 minutes. So if you're interested in making prints like this or anything that we've got here, you can contact us on our website at www.yesltd.co.uk, or you can just drop in his email at sales@yesltd.co.uk. Hopefully, look forward to welcoming you to our demo room soon.